Well, everybody, today is a awesome day. Christmas came a bit early for me. This has been something that has actually been in the works now for 30 plus years. I first learned how to monoski about a year after my injury. I went through a really cool program back home in Michigan through Cannonsburg Ski Resort and through Mary Free Bed and all of the great people back there now a very long time ago. And I have skied in multiple programs under with multiple skis, ranging from Freedom Factories to Proshbergers to Old Shadows back in the day, if anybody even remembers that name. Well, now, today, finally, through the amazing graces of Kelly Brush Foundation, I have been afforded finally my own ski. And it took a long time to decide what model ski I wanted, and really pick that best fit in style and all of fitment. And one of the big things that was always a headache or a difficulty was finding the right loading mechanism for getting on and off the ski lifts. That positioning, because there's difference in the different mono skis. So I finally picked the ski, and it had been a dream for a long time, but unfortunately mono skis are very expensive. So again, through an amazing grant, I cannot thank Kelly Brush Foundation enough. I'm able to afford this ski, and now I live up here in Montana, and I literally, outside of my ranch, outside of this shop, there is the Big Sky, Big Mountain, Whitefish Mountain Resort right there. And so for the last year and a half, I have been staring at the runs on this mountain, and they've been calling to me. So it gave me that extra push to go ahead and put everything together for the ski, get my ski so that I can actually utilize this mountain that I have a half an hour away. So without further ado, I'm gonna do the actual unboxing. So bear with me. I think I know how to open this box. But it's been crated over from France. Again, the awesome people at Tessier. I picked the Tessier Scarver as my ultimate ski, and I am so excited. I really feel like I've done my research, I've done my testing, and this is going to be the ski for me. Side note, to anyone who ships internationally, DHL is a nightmare. They were an ultimate pain in the ass, excuse me, but they were. This whole thing through customs and payment and trying to deal with DHL customer service was just an utter cluster. And I've dealt with them in the past, years and decades ago, and there's still nothing has changed. So there's my rant. DHL, pain in the butt. But here we go. This looks like foot loop. leg cover. Oh, this thing is just sick. Okay, so this plate's a little heavy, but okay, definitely well packaged. Dun dun dun. Where's the confetti? I have to give a shout out to Tessier too, and I think her name is pronounced Sandrine or Sandrine. She's been my contact at Tessier, and we've been back and forth. Honestly, the customer service over there is absolutely amazing. They went through the whole process of the sizing and options and everything that I wanted to have this completely custom fit to me. And you know, super knowledgeable people. Just really cool experience dealing with Scarver. So I'm super stoked at getting this. And I just cannot wait to get this thing up on the hill. I will do I'll do another video the first time I actually take this out. I do have to still get some other components. Just a tip, and this was relayed from the people at Scarver. I'm going to order another set of outriggers directly through the company here and get some super light outriggers. And also I need to go to my local ski shop and get my actual ski boards. Other than that, everything looks to be complete here. And I will get it all together. I may do a video of putting it all together. This one's kind of gone long. And I will probably hopefully go back and speed up the whole process of me trying to open that silly box. So you don't have to wait through that whole thing. I know it's after the fact, but anyway, I am super excited. This is so awesome, and look for more videos coming up, and we'll get this thing all together and on the hill and start going through some powder. Catch you guys later. Thank you for everything. And again, thank you, Kelly Brush.